Hey, this is Rich from New School Piano. We're going to do 21 Pilots, Heathens. I'm going to do a quick, easy version and try to do like a little moving left hand so that you can simulate the song. The song is basically, you know. Okay, basically like that. Let's do the right hand first. So that's B, C, B, G, B, C, B, G, E. Very slowly, it's. And you can actually play it using your fourth finger. It might be easier because then you could reach this without crossing over like this. Okay. Okay, that's part one. Part two. Your hand moves from here, where your thumb would be on the E, your pinky would be on the C. You're going to slide up to where your pinky's on the E now. And you're going to do this. And very slowly, that's E, D, C, E, D, C, E, E, B. In time, it's like this. So, here we go again. Again. Then it slides up. It does that twice. You notice I hit the two C's that time. On the second one of those, it does a double C. So it's this, here's the first one. But on the second one, when you do it, it goes. So it just doubles that C. Okay, and back to. All right, you got to go back, rewind, and practice those. When you get all that together, I'm going to show you a little cool thing we could do with the left hand. In the beginning, you can just play notes, which are C, A, and E. And you could leave it at that, which is fine, but I'll show you a little moving thing. Let's do it simple first. Watch the touch points. So it's on the C, it goes, and now it goes to it. Okay, and in speed, here's what it sounds like. Okay, second part uses that same three notes. When it does, it's going to do the same three notes here. Watch. Watch the touch points. So. Both parts together. That's the basic structure. It's going to take a little time to get those two together, but I just want to show you one thing to advance it a little more and make it a little fun. We're going to do this. I don't know if you can see it all the way down there with the camera, but it looks like this. All right, for the sake of the filming, I'm just going to do it up here, but later on we'll actually play it down that way. All right, so it's C, G, C, G. These are just the fifths of each chord. So C and G, A and E, and E and B. So it looks like this. to practice that over and over without the right hand and then incorporate it. But here's what it looks like with just the left hand, which is the way you'll need to play it. So again, it's go back over those parts. Again, you got part one, part two. Right? Second time it does the double C. Right? And then that left hand, you're going to start in the beginning really quietly, just playing one note. C, A, E, right? One at a time. Then when you advance and you get the song, you're going to go together with this. I'll play it high, which is C, G, A, E, E, B. Any questions or comments, feel free to write me. Visit New School Piano. This one is for Nico. Take care. Have fun practicing.